I am Bill from Eckler's. Today we're going to give you a closer look at this new lock and key set fitting your 1955 through 1957 Chevy. Whether you're looking to replace damaged components on your 55 through 57 Chevy or looking for a nice upgrade, this lock and key set is an excellent choice. It's going to include a new ignition lock, glove box lock, door locks, and a trunk lock. Now this will not work for the wagon unless you did buy an additional trunk lock for that, but it does include all 5 locks and 4 keys. The best part about this, all the locks are keyed to a single key, so one key is going to open everything for you. It's going to include, again, the door locks with the pawls, all the hardware necessary for installation, along with the ignition, glove box, and the trunk. This lock and key set, along with other restoration parts for your 55 through 57 Chevy, are available right here at Ecklers.com.